Without God, life has no purpose. And without purpose, life has no meaning. Without meaning, life has no significance or hope. Many different people express this hopelessness. Isaiah complained, I have labored to no purpose. I have spent my strength in vain and for nothing. Job said, my life drags by day after hopeless day, and I give up. I am tired of living. Leave me alone. My life makes no sense. The greatest tragedy is not death, but life without purpose.